In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can log out all devices that are logged into your Telegram account. You can simply see and log out all logged in device in your Telegram in just few simple steps. To do this, head into your Telegram. Then tap on the settings icon. On this page, select devices. Right here you will see all logged in devices that are connected to your Telegram account. You can log them out at once. Just tap right here on terminate all other settings. All logged in devices, including yours, will get locked out of the account. Then whoever has the password will be able to log in back. That's how easy it is to remove logged in devices from your Telegram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.